Yo, what is up, you guys? I know I haven't been uploading for like 3 to 4 months already. I couldn't find no software to record my screen, so I'm using a old Xbox account, and there's a free capture, and I'm just using this to record my videos for now until I find another device or system I can record with. So today we'll be talking about how to create a Twitch panel for free using a website. I'm gonna link down below in the description to go check it out if you guys want, or easily access. Once you arrive to Nerd or Die website, you want to do is go to resources, the blue resources right here. You're gonna click on it, you're gonna click on it, type on it, and then when you guys arrive, go to customize Twitch panel. So click on the customize Twitch panels. It will load for just a bit, and once you arrive to the customize Twitch panels, they create customized personal Twitch and Mixer panels for free and without the assistance of Photoshop. This is a image editing software, and it's a platform for professional choices. This you can choose by color, icon, font size, text to include the panel, and more. So these are the options you will create. So we're gonna create any of these, but I'm gonna show you guys simple ones. So once you go to down here, this is where we're gonna be beginning. So this is where you're gonna see. So on live view and download, you're gonna pick which platform you guys are doing this for. So if you guys click Mixer, click on this one, Twitch Lite or Twitch Dark. The Twitch Lite is the white is the overlay, and this is the thing that's gonna be on the Twitch panel. So when you're in general, change the text to anything that you want, but for me, I'm gonna put my name, so which is C. And on the text content, it's like a Twitch panel. So Twitch panels right here, that icon represents so like for Discord, if you pick Discord, you put the name as Discord. If you put Snapchat, you put Snapchat as your name, and if you put Instagram, you put Instagram as your name, and so on. Any kind of media that you guys have, you could put the icon into here. So what you do is display any kind of media that you have right now. So my Instagram is this. Let me just, I don't know which, I think this is. And then what you do is alignment, so you could change your text from either going too big or too small. Just leave it to the medium size, around 500 font. And for the family size, you could change any of you want for the family size. I just leave it as it is because this one's kind of good because it's white and texture and everything. Everything you could change the style, the size, the font. You could change the size, the color of the texture, the background. So I want this with purple, orange. So if I want this pinkish, put that one, and I click somewhere else. And for the icon, you could change the color. Yeah, you could change the color. Once you go back to general and open icon picker, and right here, just type anything you want. So I'm gonna put Instagram. So just search in anything you want. So right here, search anything that you want. So if it's Discord, search up Discord, click on that. If it's Snapchat, click on Snapchat. And if it's chat, click on chat. YouTube right there. So we just auto click that, and then from here you could change the scale of the icon, so you can make it smaller to bigger. Just leave it as it is, as to 80 font. We can make it bigger one, 80 font. Okay, what you do here, we just finished right here. So it's just very simple way to customize your Twitch panel. So if you guys understand this or like this video, consider liking the video and subscribing for more future uploads. So once you arrive here, you want to go to save panel. So click on this. It was gonna download the panel right over here. So this is the one that we're gonna like to download. So it's a PNG. So when it opens, show in folder. Move this a bit because my thing. So this is the one we have right now. So Josh4_TTV PNG. So what you do is exit from here, and we're gonna go to our Twitch and help you insert it into your Twitch panel. So when you log in into your Twitch account, you want to go to your icon right here. So this is my icon. Go to channel call. So click on the channel. You're going to arrive here. Go to the bottom. So these are the ones I currently made already. So I was just talking about, like, change the name, change the icon, what kind of this media you're using or social. So these are mine. Instagram. Don't have to put the entire name because you're gonna be putting in the description right here. Check me out or something. What you do is edit panel here. So edit the panel. Click down and add a new one. Add a add text or image panels. Click on this one, and it says add an image. So drag and add the image. So go to your file explorer. So where is it? So it's right here. It's the quick access ones. So click on quick access. It's where is it? Today's what? The 4. So it was this one, the OZ4 TTB PNG. So open this one. So it's this one here. So you want to resize this either by smaller, or you can leave it like that. I'm gonna leave it like that. So I'm gonna put done. So this is the thing that we're gonna have, and then the Twitch panel we're gonna do. Twitch panel is Instagram, and then right here the image link. So you gotta go to your Instagram, copy the link from there, and then just paste it here. So www.paste. This is gonna be your links, link of social, and then the description here is, you know already. So check me out or something. Check my Instagram out for daily uploads or something. And then once you do that, put submit. Something right wrong way. Submit is gonna be uploading right now to the process. So right now it's already uploaded. So you do edit panel, click on that, and it's right over here. You got it? So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on those post notifications. If you made it this far enough, comment